What are we gonna try today? Well, let's try some kiwi. Golden kiwi. That's what we were right there. Look at all those seeds. But we want to remove all the flesh, the gunk. So I'm gonna try this two different ways. One, I'm gonna leave all the gunk on there. The other one I'm gonna rinse off. But these are the seeds. I'm just putting in here, causing a little bit of agitation, but nothing crazy. Look at all that. To me, in the wild, they have this stuff on here, but I've heard that it's better success with it off. And I'm just gonna rinse these off. The ones that are floating, I heard that they're dead. There's a lot of seeds anyway, so I'm not worried about it. I'm just gonna give these a couple passes, leaving the seeds at the bottom. As you can see, all the gunk kind of floats. It'll come right off. I believe those floaters are dead seeds anyway, so it doesn't matter. There's a lot of seeds. Alright, let's get these onto some paper towels. You kind of scrape off the excess as well this way. Use a butter knife if you want. You don't want to be you don't want to mess up the seeds, but it's kind of like putting jelly on some bread is the best way I can think of it. You just put it on here, you can kind of scrape off the extra gunk. And this will also dry that gunk out, and then you can... It's up to you how much you want to do this. I don't know. This is the one where I got everything off. The other one, not so much. Let's get this guy folded. Now you want these to be moist. I'm going to use some peroxide water. This should really help with any mold and things like that because we're going to be putting this in a dark place. I've heard of people just use water as well. Damp, not moist. Or is it moist, not damp? Alright, this is what we're looking at. Like I said, you just want it to be just a little bit of water. You don't want it to be overly watered. So it's easiest to use something like a spray bottle. But we're going to put these in a dark place. These seeds germinate in darkness, not in light. Old food container should work fine. Viola, that's all there's to it. Let's put it in somewhere dark and let it grow. I never use this guy anymore, so let's put it in here. Dark, warm, should perform nicely. Leave me a comment below. Let's grow.